tune. 2 riffs, just banging chord progressions as ever with Radiohead. We're learning fake plastic trees, of course. Let's dive in and have a closer look, shall we? So let's go for the rhythm first. Basically, that is the basic rhythm, okay? And I'm playing an A chord there, and I'm fretting it with my 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers, as you can see there. So the A and the E are open. Reason for that is it's easier to move about the different positions that you'll be doing, all right? That's the rhythm, okay? Down, 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 up. Played 3 times. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then the last 2 beats go down, up, down, 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 up. You go to the A sus4 there, right? And that pattern continues pretty much throughout. The chorus is a lot softer, but you just play down, 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 up 4 times with each chord. So we'll come to that in a second. Let's go through the chords in the first verse, right? So we're going to start off with an A. And like I say, I'm playing it with my 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers, right? And you're going to change to that A sus4 on the 4th beat of the 2nd bar. So that's just the same rhythm played 3 times. Then you're going to play. I'm just moving my little finger up 1 fret. Then you change. Now this is why the chord voicing played the way I'm playing it makes it a little bit easier, right? You're going to take your 2nd finger off the 2nd fret on the D string and plonk that on the 2nd fret on the E string, right? So you're just going to jump it over the A string. But you are going from the A sus4. So you've got to slide that one back as you jump that one over, okay? So you're going to be going... But a note on the strumming pattern, it's not full chords, right? You are not playing... Later on, when it gets a bit heavier, you can do that. So whilst the rhythm is the same throughout, he's actually playing the low part of the A, and then okay, so he plays the low part first, and then for the down, down, up, he's just kind of aiming for the top 3 or 4 strings, really. It's more pronounced when you get to the 2nd main chord, right? Okay, so when you get to that one, you'll really be able to, because there's more strings to pick from. Now there's another reason why it's useful to have your fingering like that, because when you go from the F sharp to the E passing chord, which is an E add 6, what I'm doing there is I'm leaving my little finger planted firmly on the 2nd fret on the B string. Then I fret a normal E chord around it. Then I slide it up 1 fret and use my 1st finger to play the D5. That's probably the most efficient way to do it, I think. So 1 finger movement there. E chord. Take 2 fingers off, your 2nd and 3rd, and slide up the other 2. So for the D major 9 to the E kind of passing chord, slight variation in rhythm, goes like this. So that changed slowly. And what you're doing there you're just playing the top part of that and then completing the chord with the downstroke. So the upstroke is you moving your fingers off up, down, 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 up. Okay? Off and then on. Ready? Oops, again. And then in context. And then you go around again. So, coming out of that E6, you're going to play a bar D5, a bar of A, and then 2 bars of D5 with A in the bass. Around. So let me go through the whole thing slowly. Here we go. 3, 4. And then once you play that round twice, you go into this part, which is a D5 with B in the bass. So as per tab, 2 bars of that, 2 bars of A. Finger that however you wish. Alright, and then the only other thing to do really is when all the bands come in and the dynamics come up a bit, you can just go for it, be a bit less subtle, put in a few more. And I think at the end of the chorus he does go with you know, a little A sus4 before he goes back into the verse again. And that's it, people. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.